Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Fun Time with Honey, where gardening is fun. So today I'll be showing the POPOSOAP solar water fountain pump, your ultimate eco-friendly solution to create a beautiful and soothing water feature in any outdoor space. This 20-watt solar powered pump is designed to provide a constant and efficient water flow for ponds, fish tanks, wildlife, gardens, and even small waterfalls, all while harnessing the power of the sun. The powerful 20-watt solar panel is built to last and delivers reliable energy, ensuring optimal performance even on cloudy days. With the 17-foot cord length, you will have plenty of flexibility to place the panel in the perfect sunny spot, while keeping the pump conveniently placed in your water feature. The POPOSOAP pump provides a strong and consistent water flow that can bring life to any garden or water feature, whether you are creating a calming pond, a decorative fish tank, or stunning waterfall. This pump will get the job done. The adjustable flow features allow you to customize the water output to suit your needs. Simply turn the control knob to increase or decrease the flow, giving you complete control over the water's movement and sound. So now I'll tell how to set up the POPOSOAP solar water fountain. It's very easy and straightforward. Place the solar panel. Position the solar panel in an area that receives full sun, ensuring maximum energy production. Install the pump. Submerge the pump in your pond or water feature, ensuring the water intake is fully submerged for optimal performance. Connect the solar panel to the pump. Use the included 17-foot cord to connect the pump to the solar panel. Choose your fountain nozzle. The pump comes with a variety of fountain nozzle options. Simply attach your desired nozzle to create different water spray patterns. Adjust the flow. Use the flow control knob to adjust the water output to your desired level. So whether you are adding charming touch to your garden, creating a peaceful atmosphere with a waterfall, or providing a fresh drinking spot for birds and wildlife, the POPOSOAP solar water fountain pump is the perfect addition to any outdoor space. With its durable design, energy-efficient operation, and customizable water flow, the POPOSOAP solar water fountain pump is the ideal solution for all your outdoor water needs. Bring your garden to life sustainably and beautifully. Product buy link is provided in description box. Go and check out. And for more such videos, please don't forget to subscribe Fun Time with Honey, where gardening is fun. Thank you.